So just juggling the garden around. Have the Fiat all the way over there chilling in that garden. That's my mate's house that he's redoing, so he allowed me to park it there while I have this area clear here, because I'm getting a ton of sand and cement dropped here today. Well, hopefully, they said Friday, it's now Monday, so in as far as they can. Hopefully they don't block up the driveway, get it dropped here, so then I can finish digging this out, get that all done, get that stone in there, get a mixer off my brother, make a foundation, and then grab the bricks, build a wall, and then knock this down, and we're golden. Came when I went out, 6 bags of cement, ton of sand. It's really sunny out, but it's started to rain as usual, and I convinced the wife to let me get a hoe. So yeah, she let me get a hoe. She's a fine piece of stick. So yeah, I just got this so I could dig out the old roots there and loosen up the soil so I can dig it out and get the stones in. So I'm gonna dig this up real quick and let's get it done. So guys, we are halfway there. Literally just have this to do up here. There's a tree stump in there, so kudos to whoever does gardening, because it's very hard. I'm trying to get this stump out now. I just have a shovel, a hoe and a rake. So I'm going to do my best to get that stump out. The minute that's out, then I can clear up all this soil, square it off, and then dump in some hardcore and bash it down. Then I can get ready for mixing some sand and cement and getting it in on top. So let's do this. But before we bash all this out, let's rehome all these snails. I don't want them all getting squished and dying. There's a few of them. Now, after 30 minutes digging this hole and wrestling this bad boy out, my god, that was one absolute pig to get out. But we have our hole now, so I'm going to compact it down a bit, throw all this in, squish it down a bit as well, and get ready to mix the concrete. Now she's all bashed down, smashed her down with a lump hammer for about 10 minutes. It's all flat, so I'm just going to chuck some of this in now, about 3 inches, and then it's ready for the concrete. Now, success, have all the stone in there, nice and level all the way across. Take it from this side. Oh, she looks good. Can't wait just to get the concrete in. I'm also going to sweep this out. This whole channel needs to be swept out, and this needs to be concreted over as well. Just skimmed so it meets up to this and looks nice, because this is going to be part of the drive in. So the wall is going to be coming from here, straight across here. Obviously build it up 2 bricks high up to here, take this wall down, and this is what we're going to be driving on, so it needs to be nice and flat for the cars. So I'm going to organise getting the cement mixer off my brother, and once I get that, we'll come back and fill it in. Let's go. Right guys, we're a new day. We are just getting this done. I have another mix done in the barrel right there. I got one down here, so that's done there. I'm gonna get this next load put down in here, level it off, and then maybe do one more mix, throw it on top to smooth it all off with the trowel. And yeah, that should be it then. Should be good to go with the wall. Hopefully tomorrow we can do the wall. This should set really fast, so I really want to get this all down, pat it out, and then do another skim maybe tomorrow for this bit here, as you can see. So I'm gonna get this wheelbarrow over now and dump it in. Right guys, so that's 2 mixes in, so I'll leave that for a little bit, and then I'm going to put like a wet coat on top of that and smooth it all out, because it needs to come up to the height of this. Then I'm going to clean all this out and then get some on top of that as well, because that's going to be driveway, so it just needs to be nice and smooth. So I'm just going to get another one loaded on top of this and then leave it overnight and have it ready tomorrow for doing the wall. So let's go. Now guys, that's it for now. I've done a little skim across here, not perfect, because tomorrow I'm going to do it with a nice smooth mix. This was done with this as well, some hardcore, so 4 sand, 1 cement and 1 hardcore. So this should be ready tomorrow, and then in the morning I can get the smooth layer done. So yeah, should look good tomorrow. I'm going to sweep all this crap back here. As you can see, all this needs to come back. Then I can pour the concrete and I can get the good trowel and get it in and smooth it all out. Then go get the bricks. I only need about 10 cavities. These are singular blocks done in twos. I don't know why they done it like that, old school maybe, but I'm gonna cut this back and then start from there and just do my one line of blocks and then another line of blocks on top. And then these cappings off the top of the walls go on that there, and then the railings that I have here, I need to straighten up, put it on it and extend it to that wall. Then we can cut this wall, knock it down that way, get it all smoothing out there, then we can concentrate on getting the pad done. So yeah, that's it for now. It's hot as shit out. Gonna end the video here. I really appreciate you for watching. If you are watching, I hope you're really enjoying the wall and the garage updates. Like, it's taking its time, but you know what, I'm doing it on my own. I'm not a builder and I haven't a fucking clue what I'm doing. So yeah, smash that subscribe button. It's very windy. Give the video a like, comment and share. Do appreciate it. Peace out. See you in the next one and be dedicated. Peace.